What's going on YouTube? Welcome to this new Chime episode. So there's this misconception on Chime, on one of Chime's topics that I would like to address, where most Chime users are wondering whether Chime displays pending deposit. There's a lot to understand, and there are two factors that you need to consider, or two case studies, two scenarios that you need to consider before even addressing this question. And thankfully, I'll be explaining everything you need to know in this video. So without any further ado guys, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. So does Chime show pending deposit? As I mentioned earlier at the beginning of this video, you can answer this question in two ways, and the answer will depend based on the type of deposit we are referring to. If we are talking about mobile check deposit, you can actually see pending mobile check deposit in the list of your transaction in the Chime app. Usually they will appear in gray until they pass to green when they have been made available for your account. In other words, if these funds remain gray, or if the icon on it remains gray, you won't be able to access the funds. Of course, this is the case for mobile check deposit. In the case of direct deposit, you won't be able to see pending direct deposit on your Chime account. Chime only displays direct deposits that have been received from your employer and made available for your account. They make this available to up to 2 days earlier before your actual payday. So I hope you understand the sense in this. If you are making a mobile check deposit, you should expect to see the deposit in a pending state from the transaction list in your Chime account. On the other hand, if you're expecting a direct deposit from your employer, you won't be able to see this deposit in pending state unless it has been received by Chime, which will be made available for your Chime account up to 2 days earlier. So we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.